Hello, my name is Lori Anderson, and it's a privilege and pleasure to share my Victory Gardening poster project idea with you today. History has shown how resilient we are as humans. Wars, the Great Depression, plagues, downturns in the economy, they've all been a regular part of our existence. But when times are hard, people are resourceful. To find solutions to the COVID-19 induced shortages, we can turn the pages of history back to a time when our war-torn government rationed food and had labor and transportation shortages everywhere. All of it made it hard to harvest and deliver produce to the people. Victory Garden posters were the solution. Of course, family farms were growing and preserving foods for generations. They knew how to do it. But people in urban areas had lost that knowledge and ability. So, urban citizens were encouraged to turn their empty spaces, their lots, their building rooftops, their balconies, their backyards and front yards into green spaces full of growing fruits and vegetables for their own families and to share with their neighbors, and to create co-ops. And according to Claudia Reinhardt of Living History Farm, nearly 20 million Americans answered that call. Our COVID-19 Victory Garden poster project will do the same, teach people the lost art of growing food. As a group, we can determine how extensive we need to go, but my idea is to cover the basics, and possibly, if we want, the how-tos on preserving, although that could be and probably is an entirely separate poster. Our deliverable will not be a promotional style poster like the ones that we've seen from the past, although we could include a promotional poster if we want. Our main poster, our main deliverable, will be made in an informational style, more like an infographic mixed with a poster. And it will help people learn how to use their yards, their empty lots and community spaces, their balconies and building roofs to grow food. And the goal would be to teach people how to extend their food access themselves. Very helpful skills to have during pandemics and beyond. Thank you.